In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links to Kit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn regular text into clickable affiliate links so you can start earning from the products you share. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you're in the Kit editor where you can write or edit your content. This could be a product description, a recommendation, or any section of text where you want to include an affiliate link. It's a good idea to have your affiliate URL ready to go beforehand, so you can simply paste it in when you need it. Now, look through your text and decide which words or phrase you want to turn into the link. This will be your anchor text. Ideally, choose something descriptive, like the name of the product or a short phrase that clearly tells viewers what they'll see when they click. For example, instead of "click here," use the actual product name or a phrase like "my favorite camera." Next, with your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to highlight that specific text. As soon as the text is selected, you should see a small formatting toolbar appear just above or near the highlighted area. This is where you can change things like bold, italics, and, most importantly for this tutorial, add a link. On that toolbar, find the link icon. It usually looks like a small paperclip or a chain link. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a small box or pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter a URL. Now it's time to add your affiliate link. Paste your affiliate URL directly into that box. Make sure you're using the full link provided by your affiliate program, and double-check that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, since that can sometimes cause issues. Once your URL is in place, click Apply. After you do this, your highlighted text will transform into a clickable link. You'll typically see the text change color, and it may become underlined to show that it's now an active link. To confirm everything is working correctly, you can preview your kit and click on the linked text. It should take you straight to the affiliate product page. If it doesn't, go back, repeat the steps, and make sure the URL is correct. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an affiliate link to text in Kit.